Hey, it's Joseph here. Today I've got these boxes that I wanted to unbox and showcase to you. So let's have a look. I've updated my room over there, so I wanted to kind of show you what is going on that desk right now and then go into the products that I was going to open up. So here is my desk setup now. It is pretty much identical to what it used to be, except the fact that the desk has shrunk and turned into actual wood top desk. You can see everything is mounted on two monitor arms and then two 27-inch LG 1440p monitors and then 1080p monitor down here, as well as a small one up there, and then a light, and then my camera for top-down shots, and then camera for my main studio shots, two speakers, and then the water bottle, and some products that I'm gonna open up today. Basically, my desk that used to be over here is now here, and I'm just testing out a few different things. I'm still testing a few things with this laptop and then the external GPU that is going on. Yeah, that is sort of my testing setup currently. And then here is a desktop that I bought off of Lowe's and then just kind of finished it myself with sort of the ultra matte finish or ultra flat finish so that I don't have as much glare or reflection, and makes it a good top-down shot. You'll see it later. And then here is a MX Keys mechanical that I showed, and also the MX Master 3S that I have showcased, and then my Logitech Zone Wireless, which I use to answer calls, and then my computer down here, and then my footrest, along with my chair down here. So if I were to pop back into the studio camera, and this is what it looks like. Here is a camera that I'm currently testing out, which is a Sony ZV-E10 with the Sennheiser microphone on top. And the chair is in the way, as well as being a bit too bright. So I'm gonna turn off the overall room light or the ceiling light. So I have the luxury of using multiple cameras today, so I'm gonna get multiple shots into this scene here. Again, here is a top-down view, which I'm going to open up products with. But without further ado, let's go ahead and open up these boxes and showcase. So Spigen has sponsored this video for me to showcase all of these products over here. But what I'm really after is this product over here, which is a wireless charger stand kind of thing, which will complete my desk setup. Therefore, I kind of showcase my desk setup here that is kind of new and will be complete very soon. So here it says it is designed for Samsung ArcField wireless charger. Samsung super fast wireless charging max is 15 watt, which is basically what my phone also supports. Requires power delivery 3.0, 25 watt or higher, not included, but it is all covered here. They sent me a bunch of other chargers to pair it up with, which is good. And I am using a Samsung phone, so that would be good. And the model name for it is PF2102. Going to the side, it has a couple of notable features: air boost, overheat protection, intelligent safety, and then 24 months hassle-free warranty. And it is a pretty standard stuff for Spigen Chargers. And ArcField Wireless Charger is a name for it. And air boost is a technology automatically detects the optimized charging mode between 5 watt, 7.5 watt, 10 watt, and 15 watt, depending on your device's power needs. And it does include 1.8 meter USB-C to USB-C bundle cable. Let's kind of expect that in here. Open it up. Here is a Spigen ArcField wireless charger. And then here is what the device looks like. And then in the box, we've got a couple other things, such as the paper that says smaller but more powerful charging technology from Spigen. The 2-port chargers, which I showcased on my last sponsored video from Spigen, which has the gallium nitride technology, which is also included in these 2 chargers. And also it says thank you for the purchase, and I guess it is sort of the manual for it. Let's have a peek at it. You just need to connect it to USB-C, and then to the back of the device, the red light is going to be turning on the front to let you know it is charging well. When initial power on is going to be red, green, orange, then off. And then when it is on standby, it is going to be off. Whilst charging, it is gonna be the red on. And then when foreign material is detected, red flash to let you know something wrong is going on. Input power error, red flash as well. So as long as we see the red light turn on, then that's good. The solid red light. And then here is the included USB-C cable to be used with this charger, and it's got the cable tie. So let me undo that. And let me just kind of go over the overall shape and design of this thing over here. It feels kind of metallic. I don't think it is actually metallic. It is probably plastic, but because of the weight and the solidness of this thing, it feels almost metallic. With that said, there is a soft backing material as well as rubberized feet so that it doesn't slide around. And it seems to have a bit of peel over here that I need to do. That did not go so well. And then there is a sticker that I'll remove and stick it onto the box. And yeah, and here is a rubber portion at the bottom to protect your phone and angle it up. And here is the LED indicator that it was talking about. So all I need to do is basically connect this to the back of the device and then connect the other end onto the charger. But I currently don't have the charger connected, so let me open up these quickly, starting with the smallest one, which is delivering 25 watts of power. So this should still be plenty for this wireless charger. I like the fact that this is very compact, 27 watts. I'm gonna use it with this wireless charger. By this point, I do have quite a lot of Spigen chargers in my household, and I use them all the time because they have featured numerous times on my channel. So I'll gladly recommend their product because they seem to deliver the quality that I need, as well as a ton of power for such a small devices. I really appreciate the compactness of devices. I mean, look at how small that is, and it is 30-watt charger, and also it's got foldable prong if you're into that sort of thing for travel reasons, or go a little bit smaller in terms of size. This is about the size of what Apple charger used to be. Those are, I believe, 5-watt chargers, whereas this one is 27. So lastly, this is even bigger charger, and this one includes a white charging cable, and it is a 45-watt capable charger. And again, a foldable prong, which is appreciated for travel reasons. It is about the similar size, I would say narrower. I mean, it is very comparable size to this one, and it is 45-watt charger. Nonetheless, it is a good one. And because the cable was included with this wireless charger, I don't think I need to, but I'll just open up this cable anyways, which is nicely braided cable, which I have experience with. It looks though that it is exactly the same as this cable that was included with this 45-watt charger. So I'll add these cables to my collection, and all the outlets that is powering up all the gears that are on my desk is all mounted on their side of the desk. So let me go ahead and connect this. So this is underside of my desk, and the power outlets are mounted here. So let me connect this, or maybe turn it this way, and connect the USB-C cable there. Route the cables to the back of the desk, pick it up, and then basically connect there. And supposedly, as soon as you connect the cable, it is going to change color and then off. Okay, so as soon as I drop it in there, it is going to start charging, and then it's gonna let me know it's got the solid red now, letting me know that it is charging. And then actually at the bottom of it, it says fast wireless charging. So yeah, it is charging with its maximum capacity. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this thing onto the corner of my desk. So this pretty much allows me to reach for phone quickly whenever I need to. So during the day, I can just go ahead and do all my daily work stuff. And then if I quickly need to reach for phone, I can easily do that and then answer the call and quickly pop it back on here so that I can easily charge, rather than trying to fiddle with finding the port and then laying it flat on the desk. I like the fact that it is sort of propped up, because whenever a message or call happens, then I have to kind of lean over and look down onto the phone to see what is going on. So yeah, that pretty much completes my overall desk setup. If you have liked this content, please like this video and consider subscribing to my channel to continue watching these type of videos. Thank you so much for watching. As always, I'll see you next time. Bye.